if your home wasn't just a place to live, but a royal retreat where every day feels like a win? What if luxury was about the sound of hooves, wide open fields, and a timeless sense of tradition? Let me show you a community where nature, elegance, and legacy come together. This is Grand Polo Club and Resort. Hello everyone, this is Shumaila from Experience Realty, and today I'm excited to introduce you to a community that's truly set to make history. Believe it or not, this could become one of the most luxurious and regal communities in Dubai once it's complete. So, what makes it so special? And why is everyone talking about it? Let's dive in and take a closer look. This isn't just a community, it's a lifestyle built around passion for polo, breathtaking design, and beautiful nature. Imagine waking up every day surrounded by open green spaces, elegant homes, and the thrill of the sport that defines it all. Imagine just 5 minutes from Al Maktoum International Airport, 6 minutes to Emaar Oasis, and 10 minutes to Expo 2020. Like I always say, location is everything, and Grand Polo is right where the future is being built. Dubai South. It's the fastest growing, most visionary part of Dubai city. It's fully backed by the government. Investing here means you are moving with the direction of government, and that's a smart move. Dubai has already committed billions to infrastructure in this area, and it's all a part of a bold vision 2040. In fact, 35% of city's GDP is expected to come from here. This isn't just a property. It's your stake in $1 trillion city in the making. Dubai South is not just a location, it's a vision. History will replicate here. It's a vision for the future. A planned city focused on business, tourism, and lifestyle, designed to become a global hub for commerce and innovation. Investing here means you are a part of Dubai's next big chapter, with strong potential for capital growth and highest rental yields. There's so much to say about Dubai South, which is why I'll be making a dedicated video for Future of Dubai with a deep dive into Dubai South and why this area matters more now than ever. Alright, let's get back to the topic and talk about Polo. Now, let's take a closer look at Grand Polo's master plan. A truly extraordinary community spread across a massive 5.54 million square meters. It's one of Dubai's most impressive and ambitious developments. With 22 unique residential clusters and it's designed to feel exclusive and spacious. These elegant 3 to 5 bedroom villas are thoughtfully designed with spacious interiors, plenty of natural light, and a clean, modern architectural style. What really makes Grand Polo special is the polo field at its heart. A huge 340,000 square meter space with private stables. It's not just about luxury homes, it's about a lifestyle inspired by the spirit and tradition of polo. Polo is not just a game here, it's the soul of the community. The Grand Polo Club and Resort honors this tradition with state-of-the-art polo field, jumping arenas, and a prestigious riding school. Whether you're a polo enthusiast or simply appreciate the sport's sophistication, this community offers a rare opportunity to live amidst the rhythm and spirit of horses, a lifestyle infused with elegance, movement, and history. What makes Grand Polo truly special is the developer behind it, Emaar. Emaar has a well-established reputation for creating visionary, concept-led communities that consistently grow in value. Iconic developments such as Emirates Hills, Dubai Hills Estate, Emaar Beachfront, Downtown, and Dubai Marina speak for themselves. From Golf Coast living to waterfront developments and skyline-defining landmarks, Emaar's themed community have continuously set the benchmark and delivered exceptional result time and again. With their reputation for quality, innovation, and long-term vision, you are not just buying a home. You are investing in a lifestyle built with the purpose and passion. This community is all about lifestyle, wellness, and meaningful connections with open green spaces to relax or socialize. Vibrant community centers, the iconic galloping fountains, and beautifully designed floral gardens. You'll also find plenty of ways to stay active, from football and paddle courts to mini golf and scenic forest trails. Plus, dedicated parks for kids and pets to enjoy. Now, let's have a look at what Emaar has to offer in this beautiful community. It all started in May when Grand Polo was launched, and it's been an exciting journey ever since. Phase 1 brought us elegant villas and mansions with Chevalier Estate, Chevalier Fields, and Montora 1, 2, and 3. Next came Phase 2, unveiling the stylish semi-detached homes of Silvara 1, 2, and 3. And now, the latest release, Chevalier Estate 2. Grand Polo isn't just growing, it's evolving and constantly raising the bar. But let's take this a step further. Why does this matter from an investment and value growth perspective? To understand that, you need to look at how similar luxury communities have performed in Dubai. Think about Al Barari, District 1, Jumeirah Golf Estate, and Polo Homes in Arabian Ranches. When these communities first launched, villas were priced from around 7 million dirham to 10 million dirham. Fast forward to today, those same properties are now selling for around 25 million to 30 million dirham, and in some cases even more. Villas with premium views, these are now transacting for 40 million to 50 million dirham and above. Now, here is the opportunity. At Grand Polo, you can still find 5-bedroom villas starting from around 10 million dirham. And with the quality of planning, the scale of the master community, and Emaar's reputation, these homes are expected to appreciate significantly, just like the others. You're essentially getting in early at the right time, in a community that blends luxury, nature, and lifestyle in a way that's rarely seen at this price. If you are ready to make a statement with your next home or investment, Grand Polo Club and Resort is your chance. With limited villas available and an extraordinary master plan backed by Emaar's trusted expertise, now is the time to act. Reach out today for complete details on available units, flexible payment plans, and personalized guidance tailored just for you. Let me help you to take the first step towards owning a piece of this regal lifestyle. Thank you for watching. I'm Shumaila here to guide you on your property journey. Don't miss out. Contact me now and let's explore the luxury and legacy of Grand Polo together.